afternoon, everyone. Just a quick reminder that FEMA will be conducting a test of the National Emergency Alert System today at 2:20. So all your cell phones are going to go off here, and you're going to see it on the TVs, on the radios as well, that national test of the Emergency Alert System. So as we look at our weather, another hot day outside today, dry weather as well. But the big story is what happens beyond today, because we've got some big changes in the forecast. Rain is expected to arrive by tomorrow in the afternoon hours. That's with a cold front, and that cold front is set to bring a big air mass transition by Friday, and especially this weekend. We are going to be seeing those temperatures drop, and certainly a wardrobe change in order, really from tank top and flip-flop weather today to jackets, sweatshirts, hoodies. Yes, we're going to need it all. And the flannels, of course. Can't have fall without those nice flannels, right? And we're going to need those heading into the weekend. So looking outside right now, certainly not flannel weather yet. It's warm. We've got numbers well into the 80s. 83 degrees in Lima, 82 in Columbus and Cincinnati. So it is yet again kind of a carbon copy of what we've been talking about the last several days. As we look at the radar and satellite picture, seeing just a few clouds out there today. There is a veil of some clouds that sits just west of the state line over northeast Indiana. So that will kind of brush in our area and bring a few more clouds as we go through the next several hours. But we do remain dry for the rest of the day today. As far as the rain, right now it's starting to gear up, especially over parts of Missouri. You go down into Arkansas, beginning to see more of this moisture return coming in ahead of the cold front. And then the cold front sweeping through, and you can see behind the front we're dry over the western part of the plains today. Looking at our forecast for the next several hours, we'll see temperatures around those mid-80s. Briefly, likely going to tap into the upper 80s as well. We'll look at partly sunny skies and winds out of the southwest. A bit breezier today. So again, the wind kind of helping to add some relief to the warm conditions outside. It's pretty nice, but yes, certainly warmer than what we would expect here in early October. Our skycast showing again a few clouds moving through, but not anticipating any rain through tonight. And in fact, tomorrow, really, I think the first half of the day, not too bad. I think we'll be mainly dry. We'll continue to see a mainly cloudy sky, clouds thickening throughout the day. And then once we get into the afternoon hours, most of the models showing around that 1 to 3 o'clock time. And that's when rain begins to kind of overspread our area. And once that rain gets here, it looks like we're going to see a several-hour bout of some steady showers here. So Thursday evening, it's going to be wet out there. We'll have widespread, just a kind of a nuisance light rain falling across the area. That will last for several hours and even through about midnight tomorrow night. And then everything will taper off. We'll see those winds. You notice the wind shifting out of the northwest, and that's going to provide a cooler air mass in here by Friday. But we will get back to some sunshine in Friday's forecast as well. So looking at rainfall totals, this is some good news for us. Very, very dry conditions outside. Your lawns and gardens, again, very brown right now. And we are looking at some beneficial rain with this cold front. It looks like many spots should get at least a ½ inch of rain. There could even be a few high-end amounts getting up to near an inch. So welcomed rainfall expected with that cold front. So good news there. And if you like fall, even more good news in this forecast, because we've got a chilly invasion of air working in. As we head into the upcoming weekend, we'll kind of stair-step our way the next couple of days. And as we head towards today, Saturday, that's when we really begin to feel the chills. So your 7-day forecast will take us in the upper 70s tomorrow, after the upper 80s today. Friday, we're around 70. So Friday's kind of just about perfect temperature-wise, I think, in many people's books. And then Saturday, boy, 56 degrees. And not to mention, we're going to have winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour. So that's going to add a chill. Could see a couple stray showers in there as well. So, yeah, definitely going to need those sweatshirts.